Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to back up your snaps on your Snapchat app. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this is great as once snap is created, it only lasts for 24 hours and then you lose it forever. To make sure that doesn't happen, open your Snapchat app. Now tap on your profile picture at the top left, then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and tap on memories. Now from the save destination section, make sure save button is set to save it to memories and camera roll. Then the next option, AutoSave My Story Snaps. Make sure AutoSave to memories is selected. And that is how to back up your snap to your phone on your Snapchat. If you have any questions for me, then please leave it in the comment section down below. Please like this video if you found this useful and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.